Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Clinical Dentistry Hub in another video. So my name is Dr. Shabista Debi and you are watching Clinical Dentistry Hub. So today video is all about the request I'm getting to make a video on last time preparation for NEET MDS examination. As you people already know that the date for the NEET MDS examination is already out. On the site of NBE examination, you can just go and fill your form from the 26th of October to 15th of November. Date is there to fill the form, and the exam will be on 16th of December 2020. So all the dates are out. You can go there and fill your form, check your eligibility criteria, whether you are eligible or not, and what basically the last edition time is also mentioned over there. So if you see that basically approx 1.5 month is left for your exam. If you don't consider that half month, let us say that 1 month is left for your NEET MDS exam, and you have to do revision also. So this is the right time as per you cover of all of your 21 subject in these 1 month, and you are thinking to go on with the revision. Just go with it. Don't think about it. Just cover the subject. For some, you can take one subject for a quick revision for 1 day, and you can take other subject for 2 days if you are finding difficulties. Just go through the textbook, and so as you can just flip on with the pictures so that you can solve that image based questions also. For that you have to go through the textbook, your original textbook which is there, so that you can solve that question also. So this is the right time. What decides what rank you get? Either you get panic at the situation, or you start preparing or start revising hard at this now. So I am going to tell you 6 tips for which will help you to secure good rank and will motivate you. I was just going through these internet and I was just sweeping it off to read some few good points for motivating you people, and I found out this. It's very interesting, so just watch the full video till the end so that you just don't miss out any important content of my video. So the first thing is that over stress karna band kar do. You should stop overthinking now. Why I am saying that? Because you all must be wondering that कि मेरा सिलेक्शन होगा या नहीं होगा, नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, हो गया और अच्छी रैंक नहीं आई तो फिर क्या करूँगा, नहीं हुआ तो क्या करूँगा. ये सब सोचना अभी बंद कर दीजिए. अगर आप पढ़ाई करते टाइम ये सारे चीज़ों का स्ट्रेस लेंगे तो डेफिनेटली आपका कुछ नहीं होगा. तो स्ट्रेस लेना बंद करिए, अपने पढ़ाई पे ध्यान दीजिए. जो होगा सब सही होगा, बस फ्लो के साथ चलते रहिए. सेकेंड इज हीरो बनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यू ऑल शुड हैव अ स्ट्रैटेजी टू कंप्लीट ऑल ऑफ दिस सिलेबस. यू ऑल शुड टेक अ बेबी स्टेप. इट इज़ नॉट अ वन नाइट टाइम दैट यू विल थिंक दैट कि मैं आज रात पढ़ाई शुरू करूँगा और कल रात से रिवीजन स्टार्ट कर दूँगा और एक दिन में सब हो जाएगा. ऐसा मत सोचिए, क्योंकि इससे क्या होगा, यू आर जस्ट ओपनिंग डोर्स फॉर द फॉल्स ड्रीम एंड फॉर द बिटर टेस्ट ऑफ योर प्रिपरेशन. यू आर ओपनिंग डोर्स फॉर मोर स्ट्रेस एंड फॉर मोर गिल्ट. यू शुड हैव अ मोर रियलिस्टिक अप्रोच. ऐसी सब बातें अभी सोचना बंद कर दीजिए. इज डोंट कट ऑफ फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड. वाई आई एम सेइंग दैट? बिकॉज अंडरग्राउंड होने से मोनोटनी के अलावा हाथ में कुछ नहीं आएगा. सो जस्ट स्टॉप बीइंग एन अंडरग्राउंड एंड थिंकिंग दैट कि अगर मैंने कट ऑफ कर लिया, किसी से बात नहीं की, मेरा समय बचेगा और मैं पढ़ाई करूँगा. ये टाइम पे थोड़ा फ्रेंड से बात करना, इंटरेक्ट करना, आउटिंग लेना इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. बिकॉज एट दिस टाइम इफ़ यू चिल आउट it will provide you more efficiency. So chilling is important over here. Just go out for facial aesthetic, for good nature. Just go out and take a fresh air outside. It will enhance your practice skill. Why I am saying that? I am not just saying that just you keep on chilling and you are not studying. Just take few time out so that you can chill it out. I am not saying this. It's the research which is saying that, because when you chill out, it is far more important as it's improve your efficiency. इतना भी चिल मत करने लगना, नहीं तो बाद में मुझे ही ब्लेम करोगे. Fourth is thing, what will help you focus? There are many students who have problem in concentrating things and for setting long duration to continue study. So one more solution, I am not kidding, it is white noise, because it will bring you more close to the nature. It will give you a relaxed feeling. So just have a white noise, go with it, and then go and study. White noise is the only solution. I am not kidding it. I am just serious about it. You might feel that at certain point of time this phase will come कि यार बस अब हो गया, अब मुझसे नहीं होगा. Trust me guys, this phase is really important, because this phase will decide what you will get in future and how you will get it. Because there are two sides. Either you will get the thing what you want, or you will not get what you want in life. इसके एक स्टेप आगे जाओगे तो you will get what you want. एक स्टेप भी पीछे चले गए तो you will not get what you want. What basically I am saying that अगर आप एक स्टेप पीछे हो जा रहे हो तो remember one thing, that it is not the end of the road. और एक स्टेप आगे हो जा रहे हो तो आपको वो सब चीज़ मिल जा रहा है जो आपको चाहिए था, तो एक स्टेप आगे लेके ही देखिए ना. सो जस्ट डोंट पैनिक, यू विल गेट व्हाट यू वांट बिकॉज यू डिज़र्व इट. यू हैव बीन स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर इट. आपने उस चीज़ के लिए मेहनत करी है, तो बस अपने काम पे लग जाइए. अगर आपने मेहनत करी है तो वो आपको ज़रूर मिलेगी. नो वन कैन take it from you. Remember one thing, the mango on a tree is at a height. So there are person who can go and grab it. There are person who will not be able to grab and will need something else to grab the mango. So what basically is the difference? The difference is in the height of a person grabbing it. Some person might have a good height or some person might have a small height. तो आपको थोड़ी ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. तो मेहनत करिए, आपका लक्ष्य सामने है, आपको ज़रूर मिलेगा और कोई भी आपसे छीन नहीं सकता है. यू डिज़र्व इट. सो दिस नोट, लेट्स जस्ट एंड द वीडियो ओवर हेयर ओनली. आई एम श्योर दैट इट विल हेल्प यू मोटिवेट टुवर्ड योर गोल. You will be able to reconcentrate again and refocus again on your NEET MDS examination. All the very best to everyone who are appearing in NEET MDS 2020. May all you shine with the beautiful and flying colors. So please like the video. You can comment it in the comment section, share it, and if you haven't subscribed my channel till yet, please subscribe it. Thank you.